Welcome to Vikingbags. In this video, we'll be going over the hard mount saddlebag installation. The parts we'll need are 4 uprights, the cross members, 4 10mm bolts, 4 8mm bolts, a 1/4 inch hex head barrel bolt, 4 assemblies, 4 cross member fender washers, and 8 fender washers. The tools we'll need are an adjustable wrench, a flathead screwdriver, a color marker, and a power drill with a 3/8 inch drill bit. You'll also need a helper. First, ask the helper to hold the bag in several positions so you can see where you want the bag. When you find the bag in the right position, ask the helper to press the back of the bag against the bolts on the fender strut. Use the marker to mark the contact points of the fender strut bolts and the back. Now we're going to place the longer end of the upright on the marked spots to determine the placement of the lower 2 holes and the cross member. Use the drill with the 3/8 inch bit to drill all 4 holes in the back of the bag. Please use caution when doing this. Alright, now we're going to see how to permanently attach the mounting bracket on the back of the bag. Please make sure part number B remains inside the bag and parts A and E are sandwiched between the back of the bag and the motorcycle. Please make sure you're using the right bolts and the right washers where they need to be. By now, you should have the bracket permanently attached to the back of the bag. Attach it to the motorcycle. Repeat the same process on the other side with the other saddlebag. Tips: in order to make sure both bags fit identically and to save time, after drilling the 4 holes in the first bag, place the bags back to back. Now drill out the other bag from inside the first.